everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, we got another duo collab today, this time with Smoky Goodness 2.0. Great channel, go check him out. You know he'll be up here and he'll be down in the description box down below. Go check him out, and we talked about it, and he did a great video. His video is already out. I do make a guest appearance in that video, so make sure you check it out. So today, he wanted to do an eggplant pomodoro. So hey, I'm gonna twist that eggplant pomodoro all up, Mr. Smoky Goodness 2.0. You know that. You know I'm gonna twist it up. That's what I do. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to check out Smoky Goodness 2.0. Great channel. Great dude. Hey, Smoky Chipotle Eggplant Pomodoro. Next on Cooking with Corey. Alright, quick look at ingredients. We got an onion, we got eggplant, we got Roma tomatoes, we got basil, and we do got some canned tomatoes just to add an extra layer of tomatoes to it. Angel hair pasta, artichoke hearts, chipotle peppers, garlic, baby bellas, olive oil. There'll be more stuff. Let's get this cook started. Alright, we're going to start today's cookout like this. Plum tomatoes, I've already quartered one. I've already peeled 3 cloves of garlic. So we'll move that out of the way. And this is just all I'm doing is I'm just taking the stem end off. Get rid of that. And we're going in half and half. What we're gonna do here after that is we're gonna take our delicious tomatoes. They're gonna go on this delicious, well, it's not delicious, but the tomatoes are delicious, cooling rack, plural. I double them up so nothing falls through. I'll do the rest of the tomatoes. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper onto those, and those are gonna take a little trip out to Mr. Traeger for a nice little smoky bath. All right, as you can see, we got our delicious plum tomatoes on there. But we're gonna add some more flavor, tomato flavor, to the party here by adding some good old canned tomatoes. This will give an extra layer of tomato-ness. I don't think that's a word. I just made it up to the party. So we're gonna add, I don't know, let's add 3 of those to the mix. And hit it with a little bit of salt. Like the rest of them, and a little bit of pepper. Smoky bath time. Alright, and for Chop-O-Matic today, and you know, I'm gonna have to do the garlic and the tomatoes, but we're just gonna do Chop-O-Matic this way today. We got mushrooms, we got artichoke hearts, we got a delicious white onion, and pepper that I need to use. It's been in the fridge, it's getting a little squishy. Eggplant, which I'm gonna cube and I'm gonna fry. I'm gonna bread and fry, but I'm not gonna bring you guys through that. Go watch some other videos of mine, show you how to bread eggplant and fry eggplant. No need to be rehashing that, and a chipotle pepper. All right, Chop-O-Matic next. Our smoked deliciousness is out of the Traeger. All right, let's go to the stove. Let's go to the pan next. All right, let's get the sauce going, folks. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil in our pan, in our saute pan. And we will start out with some onion. Keep in mind, we are doing just a single serving on this. We are not doing multiple servings, so you guys are gonna think, yeah, that's not enough for my family. Well, hey, just put more than needed. And our garlic here that was smoked. Get that going. It's already cooked. All right, we're gonna get a little salt and just a smidge of pepper. Let's get those onions translucent. We'll be back. All right, the smells. Our garlic, which has already been smoked, is starting to a little brownness. That means it's a good time to add some mushrooms to the mix. And while we're doing the mushrooms, we're going to add our artichokes, our quartered artichokes, and some of our Anaheim chili pepper to the mix. Alright, I did add mushrooms. That needs a little bit of salt, not a lot. We salted those tomatoes when we smoked them, so we need to be a little bit careful with the salt. Add some cracked pepper here. Alright, let's go on to the next step in our sauce. As you through, looking well. Hey, our smoked tomatoes. This is going into the mix. Boom. Our chipotle. He's going in there now. He is going into that bath right now. Already salted this. No need to salt this. Alright. Do it. Then we smush. Get down and smush. And our sauce. Getting close. Alright, we are looking spectacular. Let's moisten this up a little bit. Let's hit it with a little tablespoon of good old olive oil, extra virgin. Our canned tomatoes. Let's add just a little bit of that sauce in there to our mix. So we're layering tomato flavors. We got fresh, and we got garden fresh tomatoes. And there we are. We shall add some pasta and some other delights next. All right, let's finish this sucker off here. Well, not all the way. Let's throw some basil in here. I'm just ripping apart some basil leaves right here. We will finish it off with some more basil. That in there. Get that flavor moving around in there. It's a fresher flavor. We will add a decent handful of our delicious deep fried eggplant pieces. That will go in the mix to our smoky chipotle pasta sauce. Get that going in there. Those breadcrumbs in there soaking some stuff up. And then we will add some pasta to it. And I did angel hair tonight. So this is just a separate good serving of the angel hair pasta. Will go into the mix like so. Mix it around a little bit. Give it a toss. All right. She's looking good. That pasta is a little bit under al dente, so I'm going to give that like a minute, maybe two. We'll plate this. All right, time to plate, guys. Just plate this deliciousness up. Get our pasta out of our bowl here. Our smoky, spicy eggplant pomodoro. Add our eggplant and some of our smoked tomatoes. Oh yeah. That is looking delicious. All right, that's a good start. Let's add some Parmesan cheese to the mixer. Heck yeah. Cheese makes everything better, doesn't it, babes? All right, add that to the mix. Got some tender young leaves of basil that we're just gonna put onto the party. I got some leftover smoked quarters of delicious smoked tomatoes there. And while I was at it, I deep fried 2 panko battered artichoke hearts. All right, guys, that's it. There you go, smoky goodness, that's it. Smoky Chipotle Eggplant Pomodoro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see if I can talk Jen into doing a taste test here quick.
All right, let's give this a taste. Grab a little bit of pasta, a little bit of eggplant. There we go. Tasty.
Spicy.
Not too bad. Thanks for supper.
No problem. You guys can see my mouth back there. Look at that. It's the remnants of a video.